Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Electronics Repair Services Outsourcing or ERSO. Recently, the government launched the ERSO Pilot initiative to make India the repair capital of the world. This initiative is in line with the overall vision of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to make India a global electronics powerhouse. This initiative aims to validate transformative policy and process changes that will position India as the preferred destination for repair services of information and communication technology products worldwide. METI, CBIC, DGFT and the MOEF and CC have worked together with industry representatives to introduce these policy and process changes. The goal is to make India an attractive hub for repair services. It is estimated to generate revenue of up to $20 billion and create millions of jobs over the next 5 years. The government has provided its full support to establish the country as a world leader by recognizing the potential of this project as a game changer for India. Following the pilot phase, a comprehensive assessment will be conducted to evaluate the efficacy and efficiency of the proposed changes. Aligned with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to support Mission Life, lessen the footprint on the earth, the ERSO initiative serves as a game changer for global environmental sustainability. It underscores India's commitment to the environment and the planet by promoting the extension of device life through affordable and reliable repair services for ICT products worldwide.